The market square pulses with life as merchants shout, children laugh, and shoppers haggle under the open sky. Amid the vibrant chaos, Mithu, a parrot with bright green feathers and a striking red beak, sits perched in his golden cage. Mithu calls out, his voice clear and sharp. "Welcome! Buy the best grains here." In the dimly lit spice shop, a thief lurks, his presence disturbing the stillness. The air hangs heavy with the scent of exotic spices, a silent witness to his clandestine mission. Mithu, the parrot, observes from his cage, his sharp eyes following the thief's every move. The thief nears his escape, his shadow stretching long as he moves unnoticed, the burlap bag heavy in his grip. In the spice-laden air of the night, Mithu sees the thief attempting to escape. "Kor! Kor! Thief! Thief!" Mithu shouts. His voice echoes through the street. Neighbors emerge with makeshift weapons, converging on the thief.